Alright, yo, what's good? I appreciate you coming through. Today I have you guys with this Balenciaga jacket that just came in. This is the jacket from the soccer capsule. Yeah, they nice as fuck for this. That's hard. Exactly why the box is so large now. Here's a piece. It's just tough. This is the Beverly Hills version. So I originally wanted to get this in the small, but they only had an extra large available, and I really wanted the white version. So I just went with it. You guys can see the details. On the left, you got the emblem. That's their version, a take on the soccer emblem, I'm pretty sure. You have the Balenciaga and the Sport B logo on the right. I wish I knew the name of the middle one, but I really love the way it looks. And on the back of this, you have Beverly Hills and the number 10. You have the Sport B on both the ends of the sleeves, which is a nice touch. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for y'all though. This is what it looks like on. Let me zip it up real quick. This is what it looks like zipped up. I love how baggy this is. This is how it fits me. I'm 5'11" and I'm like 145 pounds. And the intended look for sure. Definitely a sick ass piece. I love this piece a lot. I wanted to include more color, so I thought white was hard, especially in this design, because the contrast of the white and just the soccer logos and shit like that. I just think it all combines really well. Again, this is a XL. I'm 5'11", like 145 pounds. This is what it fit like. So my last Balenciaga hoodie is a small fit. This is a medium fit. So it's just a slight difference. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it too, definitely subscribe if you'd like to. There's more videos soon too. I got a pickups video coming soon. And I'm just trying to get things moving. I got a TikTok if you guys are interested in that. I post like pickups. I'm just trying to get more consistent on everything. I'm really trying to take my content seriously this year because this is what I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about clothes. So if you would like to support me, I definitely appreciate you a lot. If you can do so. Let me know what you guys think of this piece. I'm definitely glad I bought this. Again, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys have a great day. Be safe and follow your dreams. And tap in with my TikTok and my Instagram if you guys would like to. Catch you guys in the next video and take care. Made bro hoodie. Got it on.
Like, that's fit perfect, dog.
Hell yeah.